Sal, Governale, big meals, small places. Happy holidays, everybody! And for this Christmas season, I have a nice gift for everyone, and that's my Sunday meatball and pork sauce, passed down from my beautiful Nonna Pizza, also made by my mom and my Nonna Nina. And it's a combination of pork and meatballs in a sauce made with fresh San Marzano tomatoes. You're going to love it. It's so simple. You can add any type of pasta you want to it, and I hope you enjoy it. But it is the holidays, but regardless of that, you can make it any time of the year. It's also delicious in July. Merry Christmas, Buona Natale, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy everything. Enjoy. Let's make some Sunday sauce with meatballs and pork cutlets. 1 pound of ground beef, half a pound of ground veal, half a pound of ground pork, salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, 1/4 cup of chopped garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, half a cup of pecorino romano cheese, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 5 eggs. Give it a good mix. Mix it up really nice until it's all incorporated. Roll the balls, put them on the side, set them up really nice. Then get a pot, throw in some olive oil. Fry your meatballs 2 minutes on each side on high heat, and then take them out and let them rest. And once they're resting, I like to throw in some pork cutlets with salt and pepper into the hot meatball oil. Let those pork cutlets cook about 2 minutes on each side in that hot meatball oil. Just so yummy. And take those pork cutlets out. Let those rest. You can throw some hot peppers on the top of them and let them roast. Throw about 5 cloves of garlic in the oil. 1 large can of San Marzano tomatoes. Let that simmer. As it simmers, add about a half a cup of basil, salt, kosher salt to that as well. Then as that's simmering, what you're going to do is you're going to throw, like I said, some hot peppers on some pork cutlets. Throw that in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Then add the meatballs, add the pork to your sauce, and let that simmer for about 2 hours on low heat. Turn every 15 minutes and you're done. God, what does the holidays mean to you?
What does it mean to you? Holiday, yeah, with family.
That's it.
That's it.
Family's everything.
Family.
That's it.
Yep.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy, what was it again?
Holidays.
Thanksgiving.
And Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas.
Buona Natale.
Buona Natale and Happy New Year.
Everything that works.
All together.
Everybody. Oh.